Dear traders, in this video you are going to learn about the power of RSI strategy because I am going to show you that how the bands relating to RSI are performing into the real market. So these bands are very powerful. They looks like the Bollinger Bands, but they are based on the RSI, and this is one of the good strategy, and this is one of the top ranked indicator used by the professional traders. So my video is going to help you with the beginners and even the professionals, whatever you are. So it is going to help you definitely because the strategy is very straight and simple in its nature. So before we should continue our video, so please, if you have not subscribed FX Mentor, please subscribe it. You will be coming up and finding a lot of good strategies on our YouTube channel. So please make sure that you must press the subscribe button. Okay guys, let's talk about the RSI band strategy here. Right now you can see there are three types of bands on the screen: the red one, the green one. So generally it should be coming in your mind that I should sell into the top red levels when the market touches that one and buy into the lower green levels, right? Okay, so it is true, it is not bad, but there is also a middle line that you can see into the gray color. So first of all guys, by using this strategy you should turn your simple candles into the Heikin-Ashi, right? Because the Heikin-Ashi will be giving you such type of candles, the red and the green ones, so that you can see that the retracement has started or not. If you look at my chart, this is the 3-minute Great Britain pound chart, and you can see what happened here. If I show you the market touched the green band here, and then you will not immediately enter in any type of buy position unless you do not see a proper retracement from this level, and the Heikin-Ashi candles will tell you when they will change its color to green. Then you will be sure that the market has started the retracement and you can take your buy positions. Okay, overall, as per the knowledge, you can say that there is a middle line here. So if you see that the price is coming above this line, then you can take further buy position and you can set up your stop loss just below this middle line, and you can try and go for another bullish zone, and you can see the market stayed pumped up, and then the Bollinger Bands even went up, and now you can see that even when they have expanded, when the Bollinger Bands have expanded, you can see you have not taken any kind of sell position because the candles were green by the Heikin-Ashi. So when they will turn red, then you can take a sell position. That's the power of using the Heikin-Ashi candles with this RSI band strategy. So the name of the indicator: RSI bands, RSI percent B, and RSI bandwidth by Lazy Bear, and it has 7,090 downloads, and you can understand that how many guys are using it right now. Okay, so this is all about the Great Britain pound JPY. Let's have a look on the other time frames. Okay guys, now look on USD CHF. Already from the green zone, market pumped up, a great signal given by the indicator itself, and now I'm asking you a question. So it has just touched the top red boundary. Should we go for taking a sell position? If you ask a question for yourself, what should be your answer? The answer should be no, I'm not in a big hurry to enter into the sell position because the Heikin-Ashi candle, I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candle and they are still green. When they will be turning the red like this, then I will think about possible sell position. Otherwise, I'm not going to sell this pair. Right? So guys, this channel is not about just talking about the indicators. We are going to convey the knowledge to our newcomer traders, to the beginners, so that they can also learn from the videos. That's why I say that whenever you watch the video from my side, you must watch it fully and do not skip the video. Otherwise, you will be skipping a lot of tricks and tips from my side. Okay, now look guys, at this point you can see the reversal was started, the Heikin-Ashi turned green, but you can see finally it come up above the middle line, and then you can see a good retracement as well, and it was also a successful trade, right? So I mean, you can also trade the middle line. That's what I want to say. Let's have a look on one other pair, USD CAD, touching the overbought levels, but do not sell until Heikin-Ashi turned red. Okay, at next let's have a look on one of the more pairs. Okay, like Great Britain pound USD went above and then get a reversal, very nice, then it comes above scalping chance, then it comes down, very good. So guys, now it's your duty to check this indicator with the trend, because if you're following the trend, then guys, no one is going to beat you into the forex market. It will be very easy for you to trade. Now for example, let's have a look on euro JPY. What happened? Downtrend, market touches the green level. First of all, 3-minute Heikin-Ashi candle is already completed. So guys, if I ask you a question, what should be your position right now? It should be your buy position, right? It's not a sell position. So set up a stop loss anywhere, I mean at this level, 133.75745, and this is how you can trade well. So hopefully guys, I'm sure that you must have learned from this strategy as well. So what are your thoughts about this strategy? Please show me into the comment box. I will reply to you. And moreover guys, please must subscribe FX Mentor to enjoy such type of strategies. Thank you very much.